Did you know that most adults don't meet the daily recommended intake of fruit and vegetables? And even with more Americans turning to plant-based diets, there are still plenty of vitamins and minerals that we just can't get enough of through our diet alone. Luckily, Life Extension has come up with a way to help your clients fill in those nutritional gaps without compromising their food choices. Our plant-based multivitamin combines minerals and sustainably sourced, plant-derived vitamins to provide 100% or more of the recommended daily allowance of the nutrients everybody needs. Along with vitamins A, C, and E, this formula includes a vegan-friendly form of vitamin D3 sourced from algae and a bioavailable complex of B vitamins. A multivitamin isn't complete without the minerals and other nutrients essential to healthy living like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. But that's not all. We also incorporated phytonutrients equivalent to 3 servings of vegetables in 2 servings of fruit. Help your clients get the most out of their multivitamin without compromising their food choices. Recommend plant-based multivitamin from Life Extension today.